First, we need to create a button. I'm setting the width and the height of the button to wrap content, so that it only occupies the space required by its content and padding. We can change the label of the button and its appearance by using the text size, or text style attributes. The unit widely used for text size is SP, or Scale Independent Pixel. It is an abstract unit that is based on the physical density of the screen and the user font size reference. In order to make a reference of the button in Java code, we need to give the button an ID. The ID should be unique and meaningful. In the main activity class, we declare a variable for the button. The name of the variable should be identical to the IDs of the button for consistency, in my opinion. Next, we need to find the button in the layout with our chosen ID, and then assign it to the variable. Without this assignment, the variable is still null. Any effort trying to modify the button to the variable will throw a null reference exception. In order to trigger an event when user tap the button, we need to give it an on-click listener. Main activity can be used to implement the on-click listener. Of course, when you let a class implement an interface, you also need to implement the methods introduced by that interface. If you don't remember the methods, you can press the combination key Alternate and Enter on macOS, or Control and Enter on Windows. Android Studio will show the list of suggestions for you. We want the button to be centered vertically and horizontally in the layout. So we can set the orientation to vertical and the gravity to center. According to the requirements, clicking the button will launch the second activity. So now we create the second activity to enter the keyword. Open menu file and choose the first option, New, where you can find different templates for a new activity. In this case, we choose Empty Activity. A new window will be opened for you to enter the name of the activity and the file name of its layout. The activity name should be ended with the keyword activity. After that, we need to wait a little bit for the new activity to be generated and configured. The onClick method is where we define what happens when the user clicks the button. In order to launch the second activity, we need an intent. We construct a new intent with the first parameter as the main activity and the second parameter as the class of the second activity. In this case, it is Work Entry Activity class. Finally, we call Start Activity with the recently created intent.